Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to see the topic from database management system is view of data. Now first of all, what is this view of data or what we are going to learn in this? See, database system is a collection of related data and a system software which manages the data. Now in database system we are going to store several collection of related data. That means suppose we are going to store some student information. In that we are going to store a table called student information, and in that we are going to store all related data to that information table only, and we are going to use some system software who will manage those that particular table's data. The data is generally stored in a detailed and a complex manner. Now, what is meant by detailed and complex manner? That means we are dealing with all the things, that in what format we are going to store the data, in what data type we are going to use to store a particular data, or what type of attributes we are using, or what type of constraint, that means rules we are applying onto that table. Now, in that case, the important thing is to provide the abstract view of all the data to the user. Now, first of all, we are going to see what is meant by this abstract view. For this, we are going to see the definition for abstraction. Now, what is meant by abstraction? Extracting the important data by ignoring the remaining irrelevant details is known as an abstraction. Now, in simple word, abstraction is nothing but only giving the relevant data or only showing the relevant data to the user, and all irrelevant data is get ignored by to the user side. See, we are again reading that particular sentence. Extracting the important data by ignoring means we are going to show only a important data that is actually relevant and useful to the end user. By ignoring all remaining irrelevant details is known as a abstraction. Now, for example, suppose we are dealing with some accounts like bank accounts or anything. So user are only required their account balance or account related or money related details. Now that user is not concerned about how data is going to store in the backend or database, what type of particular structure or model is used by that database to store his or her data in the database, or what type of constraint we are using, or what query we are firing in that particular case. That user is just particularly pressing one button and expecting some output according to the action. So we are ignoring, or the database system ignoring all irrelevant data from the user and showing only the important data. Now the database are usually made up of complex data structure, that means the constraints, data type and etc. as per requirements. To make user interaction easy with database, the internal irrelevant details can be hidden from the user. That means the structure how we are going to store the data in the database. Now see, the complexity of database can be hiding from user by different level of abstraction. So there are several levels of abstraction present in this topic. Now here we are seeing the levels of the abstraction. Now there are total 3 levels of the abstraction. First, that is lower level, and first most level is the physical level. Second most level is logical level, and third, that is highest level, is a view level. Now in general, what are these 3 levels? First, physical level define or deal with the all physical aspects, like what kind of memory, physical memory, or for like hard disk or magnetic disk or anything like that. So how we are going to store, or where we are going to store the data actually, that particular thing is defined in this physical level. Next is the logical level. Now logical level defines the structure of the table, that like in what manner we are going to store the data. That particular thing deals with the logical level. And last and most important level is the view level. Now user mostly concerned to this level. Now here you can see we have multiple levels. Now not just three views, not multiple labels, 3 views, not just 3 views, but we have multiple views. Like view 1 is for the admin, view 2 is for the particular subscribed user, or view 3 is for the guest user, and likewise. So all these views are different. Now view, what is meant by view? A particular section is get viewed in each and every view. That means view 1 will shows a particular area of your table or the data. View 2 will show a particular area of the data or a table. Now this particular view are as per the requirement or as per the authentication. That means only authorized user can view that particular kind of a data. Now in detail we are going to see all this level. First one is physical level. Now this is the lowest level of the data abstraction, first most and the lowest level, and it tells us how the data is actually stored in the memory. Okay, now it deals with the physical memory like hard disk, magnetic tapes, and etc. Any kind of a storage material that we are using to store our data, that defines in the physical level. Now in physical level, the methods like hashing are used for organization purpose. Now what is meant by hashing is the mechanism to store the data, and in this we are going to use value and key mechanism. That means we are having a particular value that we are going to actually store, and for that value we have a key is like a searching mechanism. It helps to search the data which is stored in the physical level and which is stored in the memory. So this is nothing but the physical level. Next is the logical level. This level comprises of the information that is actually stored in the database in the form of table. That means this physical level stores the data, but actual in what kind of or in what manner we are going to store the data, the actual data, that is defined in this logical level. See, it also stores the relationship among the data entities in relatively simple structures. Now this will define this relationship among the data entities. That means how one table is related to other, how one data is related to other, and likewise. At this level, the information available to the user at the view level is unknown. That means in this level, the whatever information is available to the user at the view level is unknown. That means we having a complete data over here, but view can understand or view can view only a particular area or particular section of a data. Now we can store a various attributes of an employee and a relationship. For example, with a manager can also can be stored. Now this point is not a complete point. Now in this I'll explain what is that particular point is saying, that we store a various attribute of an employee and relationship. That means a particular employee is related to manager, or we can say manager is also employer, but particular manager is related to a bunch of employee. That is why a bunch of employees are work under one particular manager. So we are going to give the relationship that these employees are under the manager. That means that particular ABC, suppose manager, is related to that particular area or that particular number of employee. That means there is a relationship between one entity and the other entity. So that particular logical level structure is defined in this particular level. Now third level is a view level. Now this is the highest level of abstraction, and only a part of an actual database is viewed by the user. Now as I already explained that we have a multiple views as per the requirement. Here I have just mentioned only 3 views, but in actually you may have a multiple view as per the requirement. Like I have explained that if you are an admin, for admin you have a complete view okay. Now as a proper subscriber, if you are a subscriber for that particular website, so you can access a particular area of a data, and which is less than the admin is going to view. Then you have suppose a guest user or guest viewer, then you have only limited area to view. So the only part of an actual database, that means each and every view cannot display a complete view of a data. This will display, or this will give a particular area or a section of a data view. Then this level exists to ease the accessibility of the database by an individual user. Now users view data in a form of rows and column. That means particular user is allowed to view only name and address, or particular user is allowed to see only his data, okay, and other data get hide by that particular user. The tables and relations are used to store data, and multiple views of the same database may exist. As the example says that we can have a multiple view of a single data or single table. User can just view the data and interact with the database. Storage and implementation details are hidden from them. So user can just view the data, and other thing, that means storage, how the storage is managing, or how implementation details are done, or some other information are hidden from the user. So this is nothing but the abstraction and level of abstraction. Thank you.